Congratulations. Well done, well.
On a much lighter note, some Kern residents made a massive splash today, putting their speedboats to the test in one of 6 annual races at Lake Ming. Today marks the 4th race, leaving 2 more before the end of the year. 17's Marco Torres has more.
The National Jet Boat Association hosts annual races at Lake Ming. The races bring people from all over California to compete. Now, people at the races say this isn't just a sport, but instead an event for the entire family to enjoy. The sounds, the speed, and the precision. Drivers aim to finish as close to the set time as possible. For example, if it's a 6-second race, the driver who finishes closest to 6 seconds will be the winner.
It's awesome. I grew up with racing, and this is my first time with boat racing, so I'm absolutely loving it.
Other spectators say motorboats have been with them for decades.
Oh, it's bringing back a lot of memories. I was was 5 years old when my dad bought his first boat, and being the youngest of 5 kids, that's all we did. It was go to the lake every weekend. Even for Thanksgiving, it was raining, but we were still water skiing out there on the water.
Patrick Phipps came to support his friend Brandon Grider, a new boat owner and first-time racer. Grider raced in a non-competitive class, but says he plans to race competitively in the future.
Oh, it's a rush for sure. I mean, we did 117 miles an hour this last pass, and it throws you back in the seat. You got to hold on for sure, as well as make sure you're steering in the right direction and doing a couple other things to get it down the track. So it's a lot of fun.
Being in a boat is like therapy, and it's one of the funnest things I've ever done. If you've never been to a drag boat race, they've got 2 more races this year in October and November. I recommend coming out.
The next race is scheduled on October 23rd and 24th at Lake Ming. The entry cost is $10 or it's free for kids 12 and under. The races will begin right at 8 in the morning. In studio, Mark Torres, 17 News.
Yeah, it's giving a ton of fuel. Got fuel cylinders. Yeah, a little bit.